Hello chess lovers, I have a brilliant attacking game for you played by Captain William Evans. His opponent is Irish chess master Alexander McDonnell. William Evans was a CFR and inventor, though he is best known today as a chess player who was the first player known to have employed Evans' Gambit. This game was played in 1829 in London and is considered to be the first game with this opening. Captain Evans started with e4 and e5 by McDonnell, knight f3, knight c6, bishop c4, bishop c5, and there it goes, we see b4. White is gambiting in order to play c3 with a tempo, then grab the initiative in the center of the board, open up the diagonals, place the bishop on a3 square, not allowing black to castle kingside, then the queen on b3, putting pressure on f7, and this is of course going to be a very dangerous attack. We see bishop takes b4, c3, bishop c5, white castles kingside, knight f6, and we see d4. E takes d4, c takes d4, bishop b6, e5. Now the knight on f6 is under attack, but black is playing d5 counter-attacking white bishop. E takes f6, d takes c4. Now the e file is opened and white places the rook on e1 square, giving a check. King f8, bishop a3 check, a very standard move in Evans' Gambit. The bishop is coming to attack from a3 square. King g8, d5, kicking away the knight as well. Knight a5 and bishop e7. Captain Evans is totally dominating the position. Queen d7, f takes g7, king takes g7, queen d2 with a very deadly threat. Queen g5 checkmate. Queen g4, black wants to exchange the queens in case white plays queen g5 check, but this time white queen is joining the attack from the long diagonal. Queen c3 check, king g8, and now you can pause the video and try to find white's next moves. Actually, there is a checkmate in 3 moves. Ready? In this position, William Evans played queen takes h8 check, sacrificed his queen, and after king takes h8 he played bishop f6 check. He's just using the weakness of the 8th rank, queen g7, and we see this beautiful checkmate on the board. Look at this. This was truly an impressive attack. Actually, Captain Evans was just making Angie's first choice moves, and of course, finally we see this magnificent checkmate on the board. If you enjoyed this brilliant attacking game, don't forget to give the thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. More games are coming. Good luck.